Hi guys, it's Tracy here. I just really want to show you guys how I pack and how I'm team carry on. So I attempted to do a stop motion video again like I did for that backpack, but it's just so difficult. I just don't have the time to do it. But either way, I wanted to show you guys how I pack. So here's a view of my full suitcase, and on this side, this is just one swimsuit, but I have 3 hats right here. I have my shoes, my toiletries, and that's it on this side, and I'm just putting that around that. And then if you flip this around, my underclothes and pajamas are in this top zipper, and all of my clothes are on this side. So guys, for this trip, some of the things that I'll be packing in my backpack, and actually this is my husband's backpack. It is his Cole Haan leather backpack. It's just much deeper than my backpack, so I'm gonna go with this one. I am taking my tripod, which extends to 6 feet. My other little tripod that like curls and attaches to different things. You know, like a pole or something like that I can mount my camera up on. This is my favorite little fanny pack that I always take, and I'll wear that as my purse basically. My selfie light. This is, I got this from Delta, and every time I fly I just get a whole bunch. Basically it comes with a toothbrush, a toothpaste, an eye mask, and earplugs. This is my universal charger, my earphones, my remote, hair ties, my portable charger, my camera charger, my GoPro. This is to charge my GoPro and charge my portable charger, and then my water case that I can put my phone in.